channel Medical Brains. Now our next topic is compare and contrast between the two medicine named Conam maculatum and Phytolica decandra glands. Now comparison is both have great affinity toward glandular system. Mainly breast and tonsils also affect submaxillary, parotid, lacrimal glands. Enlarged glands swollen and indurated with stony hardness. Thermal relationship. Now both medicine are chilly medicine. Element from exposure to cold. Complaints brought on from taking every little cold which causes glands to become hard and sore. CA breast, mastitis, tonsillitis, swollen parotid and submaxillary gland. Now we will talk about contrast part of Conam and Phytolica. Then first we will talk about Conam. Then Conam is aconite of chronic disease, mainly acts on motor and sensory nervous system, causing ascending type of paralysis. The paralysis started from feet and leg, then it goes ascend upward to the chest. That is why it's called ascending type of paralysis. Glandular system, tendency to produce induration and hypertrophy. इंड्यूरेशन हो जाएगा उस पार्ट ग्लैंड्स का, तो एंड हाइपरट्रॉफी हो जाएगी. नाउ फाइटोलिका, vegetable mercury, mainly acts on serous, fibrous and osseous tissue and sheaths, causes irritation and inflammation. Rheumatism with shooting type of pain like electric shock. Glandular system, tendency to ulceration and cancer formation. इसमें कॉनायम में इंड्यूरेशन का टेंडेंसी है और फाइटोलेका में अल्सरेशन का टेंडेंसी है. दैट इज़ वाई टू मेडिसिन आर डिफर फ्रॉम वन अनदर. Constitution, suited to old feeble men, old maids, bachelors and widows. Person easily intoxicated with less intoxicants. Example, alcohol. Young men addicted to masturbation. After blow or fall disease become cancerous. Ailment from ill effects of injury, suppressed sexual desire, menses and sexual excess. Scrofulous and cancerous diathesis, and covers all the three miasms: psora, syphilis and psychosis. About this medicine, constitution suited to rheumatic and syphilitic person who is sensitive to damp weather. Ailment from abuse of mercury, syphilitic affection, cold, rheumatic and gouty diathesis. It has miasm is psychosyphilitic miasm. इसमें सोरा का नहीं है, बट ओनली साइको और सिफिलिटिक का कॉम्बिनेशन देखने को मिलता है. दैट इज़ द साइकोसिफिलिटिक माइजम. नाउ ब्रेस्ट, सोर, एनलार्ज, पेनफुल, एज हार्ड एज स्टोन. हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है कि इसमें इंड्यूरेशन देखने को मिलता है, इसलिए यहाँ ब्रेस्ट के टिश्यू में भी इसका इंड्यूरेशन देखने को मिलेगा. पर कब? तो वो बिफोर एंड ड्यूरिंग मेंसेस में. नाउ द पेन, सो पेन इज स्टिचिंग एंड कटिंग टाइप ऑफ पेन एंड पर्सन को ऐसा हार्ड फील होगा, लंप जैसा. देन वॉन्ट्स टू प्रेस ब्रेस्ट हार्ड विथ हैंड. ट्यूमर्स इन ब्रेस्ट आफ्टर इंजरी बाय फॉल और ब्लोज. टू मच मिल्क इन ब्रेस्ट बिफोर मेंसेस. नो प्रोस्टाइटिस, CA prostate, intermittent flow of urine flows, stop and start again. In BPH, benign prostatic hypertrophy. And now this breast pain, swelling, lumps, violence, inflammation and suppuration meaning the pus formation from any excitement, fear of or an accident, cold. Nipple cracks, inverted and excoriated. Every time the child nurses, pain start from nipple and radiate toward all over the body. When there is a no milk or milk is scanty, thick, unhealthy, dried up soon. Breast abscess, angry ulcers, bloody, watery, offensive discharge. Tumors of breast which neither heal nor suppurate become hard purple color. Old scar in breast after abscess. which is suppressed by local application from years ago and tendency toward CA. CA means cancerous condition. So that's all about two medicines. Thank you.